Welcome to Sleeping Sleepy, where relaxation and peaceful sleep await. Join us on a magical journey of soothing stories, gentle music, and tranquil visuals. Let's explore the blissful world of relaxation and embark on a restful adventure together. Imagine a cozy tent in the mountains on a calm night. Outside the tent, a warm campfire glows, lighting up the area. Look up at the sky and you'll see twinkling stars forming pretty pictures. The stars guide you to a peaceful and calm place. Let the quiet and the beauty of the starry sky help you feel calm and relaxed. As you go inside the tent, you find a soft light shining from a lantern, making it cozy. The air smells fresh, like pine trees. You hear tiny crickets singing a sweet song, like a gentle lullaby. You lie down on a comfy mat in the tent, feeling safe and warm. A gentle breeze brushes against your face, making you feel peaceful. Imagine big, tall mountains in the distance. They look strong and beautiful, giving you a peaceful feeling inside. Outside, the campfire crackles and makes dancing shadows on the walls of the tent. The fire feels warm, like a hug. Your family sits around the fire, telling stories and laughing. These moments become special memories that you'll remember for a long time. As the night gets darker, the stars shine brighter, like little lights in the sky. You look up and see pictures made by the stars. They tell stories of brave heroes and magical creatures, like in a bedtime story. In this calm place, you feel quiet and relaxed. Any worries you had during the day fade away, replaced by a feeling of calmness. The starry sky becomes like a painting, inviting your imagination to dream and explore new things. When you close your eyes, the peaceful sounds of nature sing you a lullaby. The wind whispers softly, an owl hoots from far away, and the leaves rustle gently. These sounds help you fall into a deep sleep. In your dreams, you float among the stars, feeling calm and happy. And so, in this peaceful mountain setting, the cozy tent becomes a special place where you feel calm and relaxed. The campfire, the twinkling stars, and the soothing sounds of nature all come together to create a beautiful lullaby that helps you sleep. As you drift off, the magic of the night embraces you, guiding you to a world of sweet dreams and peaceful rest. As the evening approaches, the sky transforms into a painting of soft pastel colors. Shades of pink, orange, and purple stretch across the horizon, casting a magical glow over the campsite. The children gather around the campfire, their faces illuminated by the dancing flames. They listen attentively as their parents share stories of adventure and bravery, their voices filled with excitement and wonder. As darkness blankets the forest, tiny creatures start to stir. Fireflies twinkle and float through the air, their gentle glow enchanting the children. They chase after the flickering lights, giggling in delight as the fireflies lead them on a playful dance through the night. Under the watchful gaze of the moon and stars, the families retreat to their cozy tents. Inside, The children nestle into their sleeping bags, surrounded by their favorite stuffed animals. The soothing sounds of nature, the gentle hooting of an owl, the rustling of leaves, lull them into a peaceful slumber. In the morning, the sun peeks over the horizon, casting a warm glow on the campsite. The birds welcome the new day with their cheerful melodies, singing a symphony of joy and happiness. The children emerge from their tents, their sleepy eyes transforming into wide smiles as they breathe in the fresh forest air. The campsite comes alive with activity as families prepare for the day's adventures. The aroma of breakfast fills the air as bacon sizzles on the grill and pancakes sizzle on the griddle. The children eagerly help their parents, flipping pancakes and pouring syrup with proud smiles. With their bellies full, the families embark on exploration. They hike along winding trails, their steps accompanied by the crunch of fallen leaves. They discover hidden treasures, a babbling brook, a majestic waterfall, and vibrant wildflowers that paint the landscape with splashes of color. The children's imaginations come alive as they engage in imaginative play. They become brave explorers, venturing through imaginary jungles and conquering mythical creatures. They build forts with fallen branches, their laughter echoing through the forest as they create their own magical worlds. As the day draws to a close, the families gather once again around the campfire. They roast marshmallows, their sticky fingers holding them close to the flames until they turn golden brown. The sweet scent of toasted marshmallows mingles with the crackling fire, creating a symphony of deliciousness. Under a star-studded sky, the families share stories of gratitude and appreciation. They express their love for the natural world around them and the joy of spending time together. The children's eyes sparkle as they listen, feeling the warmth of love and connection that fills their hearts. And so, in this camping adventure, families come together to create lasting memories. They gather around campfires, chase fireflies, sleep under the stars, explore the wonders of nature, and share moments of laughter and love. The forest becomes a playground for their imaginations and a sanctuary of togetherness, reminding them of the beauty and magic of the great outdoors. As night falls, a blanket of darkness settles over the campsite. The moon shines brightly, casting a gentle glow on the surrounding trees. Crickets serenade the night with their rhythmic chirping, creating a soothing melody that lulls everyone to sleep. In the quiet of the night, something magical happens. The forest comes alive with whispers of enchantment. Squirrels scamper along tree branches, their tiny footsteps barely heard. Owls hoot in the distance, their haunting calls echoing through the stillness. It's as if the forest keeps a secret, sharing its mysterious wonders with those who slumber nearby. Inside the tents, the children dream of exciting adventures. They imagine exploring hidden caves, befriending woodland creatures, and soaring through the skies on the backs of majestic eagles. Their dreams carry them to fantastical realms where anything is possible. As morning light filters through the trees, the campsite awakens with renewed energy. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, mingling with the scent of breakfast cooking on the camp stove. The children emerge from their tents, stretching and yawning, ready for another day of outdoor exploration. With backpacks strapped on and binoculars in hand, the family set off on a nature walk. They follow winding trails, stopping to observe colorful butterflies fluttering among the wildflowers. They spot squirrels chasing each other playfully, their bushy tails twitching with excitement. The children's eyes widen with wonder as they witness the marvels of nature up close. As the sun reaches its zenith, the families find a perfect spot by a glistening stream. The children kick off their shoes and dip their toes into the cool water, giggling with delight. They search for smooth stones to skip across the surface, their laughter mixing with the babbling of the stream. Back at the campsite, it's time for a delicious outdoor feast. The families gather around a picnic table adorned with a colorful checkered tablecloth. They share laughter and conversation as they indulge in sandwiches, crunchy chips, and juicy watermelon slices. The simple pleasure of a shared meal in nature creates a sense of togetherness and joy. As the day draws to a close, the families gather once again around the campfire. They join hands and sing songs, their voices harmonizing with the crackling flames. The warmth of the fire and the sound of laughter create an atmosphere of comfort and happiness. It's a moment of connection and shared memories that will be treasured for years to come. And so, in this camping adventure, families embrace the beauty of nature and create lasting bonds. They witness the wonders of the night and the magic of the forest, while enjoying the simplicity and joy of outdoor activities. It's a time of exploration, imagination, and shared experiences that leave a lasting impression on the hearts of both children and adults.